Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Zainab and you are welcome to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be making peri wings. Yes guys, we're gonna be making peri wings using homemade peri sauce. So I made this peri sauce few days ago. So if you want to see how I made this, just check in the description box so you guys can go and watch that video. Okay, so here I have my half kg of wings. I have washed, I have cut, and yeah, it's clean. For seasoning, we're gonna use black pepper, we're gonna use garlic powder, we're gonna use ginger powder, some lemon juice, gonna need some salt, and here is paprika. So here I'm gonna just add these spices in here. So it's a half teaspoon. I don't want too spicy. Yeah, so it's half teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of paprika, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, ginger powder, a half teaspoon, some salt. I think it's too much, and we need lemon juice. I'm going to give a good mix just to combine all the spices with the chicken together. Okay guys, so now we're gonna marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, 30 minutes have passed. Now we're gonna fry, not really deep frying, just a little bit, you know, for that beautiful golden color, because I want to roast in the oven after this, so we don't need to fry too much. I'm going to flip it over and fry the other side as well. So this is the color we actually looking for. You have to be like this. Yeah. Okay guys, I think the wings are done. So the color must be like this, light golden. Now I'm going to remove from the pan. So now we're going to transfer the wings into this bowl, and we're going to add our peri sauce. So peri sauce, you guys can add more, you can add less. It's completely up to you, because I don't want too spicy. I'm not going to add too much. Now we're going to mix. Okay, done. Now we're going to roast our wings in the oven. We're gonna roast our wings in the oven. So I'm going to use this tray here. I'll just place them on top of this rack. That's it guys. So now we're going to roast the wings for about 15 minutes both sides until it's ready. Okay guys, Let me place this in the oven. Okay guys, few minutes later, our wings are here ready, and with the peri peri sauce right there. Thank you all for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share as well. Okay guys, I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.